Hey everyone, Caesar here. I just took delivery of this package. I think this is from APMEX. I'm not sure, but let's open it up and find out. This is the Harry Potter collection from APMEX. Hey, let's take a look. It's a silver sickle. All right, 20 count of those. Very cool. This is the copper. We'll open that up in a second. We have more copper because why not? We love overpaying for metals. We have this silver packaged Gringotts Wizarding World round. And we have a piece of gold. All right, let me open these up and we'll take a look at them. All right, so I got all the packaging out of the way. We have these awesome little rounds from APMEX. These are the Harry Potter collection. So this is one Galleon in gold. You have a little wizard there, Gringotts Bank. It's 1 ounce of 3/9 fine gold, and it has the little trademark from Warner Brothers there. This is really cool. I'd love to have a tube of 20 of these, but who has $30,000 to get a tube of gold galleons? I certainly don't. Then I did manage to get tubes of the copper and silver. So let's take a look at the silver sickles. Got a little piece of foam there. These are fabulous. One sickle has a dragon on it there. And on the reverse, Gringotts Bank. 1 ounce of 3/9 fine silver. And we have the trademark right there on the bottom left. These are great. I think I'm going to have to do a short video of all of the Harry Potter collection coins and rounds that I have, because I am of that generation where this sort of thing appeals to me. This is a copper round. And the premiums on the copper are ridiculous. That's just, I mean, the premiums on copper in general are astronomical. So actually, I do think these copper rounds are the first of my stack. I don't think I have any other than this tube that I just got. So I have 2 tubes now. So, all right, I guess we're stacking copper now. But not really. I'm not going to be spending money on the premiums for these things. But these are really amazing. The dragons on the sickle and the galleon. Really cool. All right, yeah, I think I'll have to do a video soon of the entire collection that I have from different mints and different sellers. So these are all from APMEX. I'm really glad I got these. All right, if you have your own, let me know. Otherwise, I'll catch you guys in the next video.